Hi everyone, Oleg Tkach here with your weekly rate update. And this week we have an extremely light week in the fact that there's almost no reports coming out this week that would move the markets whatsoever. So the previous 2 weeks we had two positive inflation reports, and we've seen that kind of trend continue into this week where that positive news still is helping mortgage rates. They are ever so slightly better this week than last week. Not really noticeable, but still moving in a positive direction. Now, the one thing that could have an impact next week, we could see a pretty volatile week depending on what happens with Black Friday and consumer spending. Investors look at this weekend almost yearly to determine, what's going to happen in during the holidays. How are the companies going to perform? Are they going to have great sales, or their sales going to be down, or their sales going to be up? And depending on the spending that happens during Black Friday, a lot of investors take that data and pretty much digest it and make predictions based off of that. Since we kind of have a little bit of, you could say, economic uncertainty right now with inflation, with jobs, with everything else, with housing, because of that, I think this year more than ever, depending on consumer, behavior and whether or not they're going to be very, very confidently spending like they normally do or pulling back, I think it's going to have an impact next week. But until then, we've had a great week so far. Just wanted to wish you a happy Thanksgiving. We're grateful for your business that you send us. For those of you that are taking time off, hope you have a relaxing weekend. For those of you that are working this weekend, we will be available to help with pre-approvals. Send any updated pre-approvals that you need. Let us know. Otherwise, hope you have a great one and reach out to us if you need us.